That we continue to show opposition until it stops. Kaya ang akong hangyo ni Mayor, if you remember, ang akong hangyo ni Mayor on behalf of the diocese during my personal message to the City Council, ang hangyo ko nga punong naunta because it pains me as a bishop to see that we are divided when we could have used our energy, we could have used our resources to address more urgent issues. So butong hinghangyo ko kahunong na. So sa imong question, will there be more? What is sure is that we will continue discerning, but kung muhimo ba may actually wala pa ta makahuna-hunaan na. No, that's ahead.
Bishop, are you open to a one-on-one conversation with the mayor?
You know that you must have heard it from somebody. Si Judy. Dili na, she is speaking not as a media person but as a personal friend of the priests, no? Kaya actually, obviously ako ang kuwan nga, I hope that we could talk, no, with the mayor. If you remember, last March 24, we made a forum. If you remember that forum, you were also there. The idea was to help the city government come up with a more wise decision about the reclamations in the city. Because we were saying that there were no consultations going on with such big projects as the Pantawan, no, Dinanotoy Pantawan, and then we heard that mangayon na pud si Mayor of 1.9 hectares for tinago niya, wala gihapon tao in consultation. So as church, we thought that we cannot just stand by and not hear anything in terms of explanation ba. So we came up with that forum. Ang among expectation was that we submitted the whole result of the forum at that thick. We submitted it to the mayor and also to the city council. Ang ako lang hope so that he would acknowledge it, and from there invite us and explain himself. Wala mang yun, niho. There was no.
That was since then wala pa gid mo.
Since then wala yun. And we were expecting, hindi po mimuuna kay kami ba nakatapusan nga nang hatag niya atong kwan document, no, siya o sa city council. There was no acknowledgement, and so kami ang expectation, di ba, mamana ka ng professional communications. When you are sent something, when you are written to, you respond. Hopefully, kami we gave a whole thick file of the result of the scientists, no, what the scientists were saying about the reclamation. In tinago pa to, kato 1.9 pa to. Wala man oy kuan. We were hoping that he would call us and say, thank you for this, thank you for your initiative, and then this is what I plan to do. It did not happen. So, naako din ha, no, naami din ha. Para namo, we did our part. No?
Kini ang ating Rakapalita 943.